Morning everyone, this is Buding Marshall Paul Emmanuel Budgus, third year equator. Today I will show you the three kinds of messages: the safety, urgency, and the distress message. Mayday, Mayday, Mayday. This is MV Clark call sign Papa India Lima, MMSI 945-269-756. My position 50 degree 42.30 north, 001 degree 21.5 minutes west. I have hit by a missile. And now I'm sinking. I required immediate assistance. I have 4 persons on board and no casualties. We are managing the situation and our life raft is ready. Over. Security, security, security. All stations, all stations, all stations. This is MMSI 945-269-756. This is MV Clark. Call sign Papa Oscar Lima. There is floating container in position 44 degree 00 minutes north, 29 degree 58 minutes east. I repeat, there is a floating container in position 4400 minutes north, 29 degrees 58 minutes east. Over. Pan. All station, all station, all station. This is 945-269-756 motor vessel Clark. Call sign Papa Oscar Lima. Position is 50 degree 42.30 minutes west, 001 degrees 21.5 minutes west. I have problem with my engines. I required a tug assistance. Over.